Hey, thanks for joining us. This is Angela from Triple Peaks Roofing. Angela, I got a question.
Yes.
If I got damage on my roof or it's really messed up, one part of it, can I just get that fixed or should I just probably have the whole roof repaired?
That is a great
Replaced.
question. And it's really going to depend on how old your existing roof is.
Okay.
If it is a brand new roof and say you had a tree fall on it or an animal got inside and did some damage, we can definitely just fix those areas. However, if your roof is already 15 to 20 years old, it is more economical to replace the entire roof just because that tie-in could just not work because of the age of the roof. You potentially have to pull more shingles because the shingle manufacturers have gotten a lot better with their seal strips, and it's gotten harder to pinch out those shingles and not do more damage.
That kind of makes sense, you know. And what the heck? I mean, if it's already 15 years old, you're probably gonna have to have something done with that in about 15, 20 years anyway. And then you've got this, and then you're going, well, should I work on this part of the roof that you guys just fixed 15 years earlier? So
right.
Yeah.
And unfortunately, Northeast Ohio, our roofs don't last as long as they used to.
That's right.
With our weather patterns, we're seeing roofs needing to be replaced after 15, 20 years. And it really depends on how well that system was installed, whether they updated your ventilation system in the process, things like that. But
So-
generally, if your roof is in great shape and we just have to take care of a portion of it, we can definitely take care of that.
Angela has all the answers, and if you have any more questions, just give her a call. And what's your phone number? How
Our
they get in touch
phone
with you?
number at Triple Peaks Roofing is 440-925-0386.